Hey guys, welcome. This is Yousif Alias from Media Traffics. I'm very excited that you're on the local biz marketer and you're here trying to, learn how to create appointments on automation, without you actually going out there and getting appointments. This is an automated system you put in place, you send some traffic, and you start getting appointments. Okay, so let's jump right into it. The system is basically very simple. It consists of a landing page that we've already created for you, and it's at the bottom of this course. You can click on it, and you can take that, you know, uh, you can take this whole page and make your own account with ClickFunnels and start editing it and making it suitable for your own personality. Now, if you are wondering, like, how can I get a picture like this with no background? It's very easy. Just take a picture with your iPhone, and it doesn't matter the background, and come to this website called Remove BG, right? Right here, if you can see it, Remove BG. You upload it, and then you put your picture in, and it removes the background. All right. And after you collect their information, let's just say they put some kind of information. You can also ask for their phone number, their full name. After they put in their information, they can go to a page that looks like this. Well, actually, this is my appointment book. You guys just saw all my clients. But they go to a page that looks like this, and they can create their appointment on their own. Right over here, you can ask them whatever questions. But this is the appointment scheduling system that we use at Media Traffics. It's called Acuity Scheduling. All right. So go ahead and use this system. Get this template right here. Get this landing page. Send traffic to it and create appointments on automation. I hope you guys enjoyed this lesson, and I'll see you on the next one.